My name is Jasmine,
Hi, my name is Stefan.
Hi, I'm John Ains.
Hi, I'm Peyton.
and we welcome you to Oklahoma City.
We're the heartland of America. Oklahoma City is pretty much dead center in the state of Oklahoma.
It's south of Kansas and north of Texas.
Wichita is about 2 hours, and Dallas, depending on where you go, because Dallas is pretty big, it's about a 2-hour drive.
In Oklahoma City, we look after operations, we look after ramp, and the baggage service office. We have an excellent relationship with our American partner here who does above the wing work. And we're one of the largest diversion stations for DFW. In fact, we're the second largest, all of their diversion stations.
I've seen up to, in the number, like 20 diversions at a time. And you still have to deal with, your incoming and outgoing flights.
We are a smaller station, so we are able to work together, like with AA and Piedmont together as a team. So it's more like family oriented.
Here we get flights going to LaGuardia, Dallas, Arizona, Charlotte.
Oklahoma City is growing. Just in the time that Piedmont's been here, we've probably added 5 or 6 departures daily, and we've added several destinations and have a good mix of both leisure and business travel.
Our weather is all over the place. Right now, it'll be cold in the morning, hot during the day, and then next week it might be a tornado.
We definitely get all 4 seasons here. So it's not unusual to have ice storms, snowstorms, 105 to 110 degree summers. So we get the gamut here for sure.
We have the Myriad Gardens downtown, so we have beautiful flowers there as well that people come from all over to see.
We've got a very vibrant area near downtown referred to as Bricktown.
Sporting events, so we got the Thunder here. So that'd be something that if you're interested in, you're a basketball fan, you can go see the Thunder.
We've also got the National Cowboy Hall of Fame, historic stockyards.
Every day I come in, I'm like, it's a new experience, it's unique. Every day is something new, and I love that. It keeps me going.
We got a bunch of great people. We always do the best we can for each other.
That's what I like about our station is we're a small group, but we all work together.